Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you a brand new feature Apple finally added to the iPhone, call recording using local capture in iOS 26.1. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down a bit and tap on General. Inside General, you'll notice a new option called Local Capture. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll see different capture options, but for call recording, you need to enable audio only. Once you turn this on, your iPhone will be able to record audio directly, including phone calls, whenever you activate local capture. After enabling it, go back to your home screen, and now open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Now press and hold anywhere inside the Control Center area until the customization menu appears. Tap on Add More Controls, and in the search bar, type Local Capture. Once it appears, tap on Add, and now local capture will be available directly inside your control center for quick access. Now for the main part, whenever you want to record a call, simply open the control center and tap on the local capture icon. Your iPhone will immediately start recording audio in the background. It will continue recording until you manually turn it off by tapping the icon again. And that's it. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more useful iPhone tutorials.